In Chivenda, there is a saying that "Monna ndi vene." That simply means that if you are a man, you have to buy a buggy or a single cab or whichever that you call it in your language. Today we'll be going through this 2026 Toyota Hilux 2.0 VVTi AC Single Cab. And as you can see from the exterior, you can see that this car is rugged because it's built for reliability and durability. Everything here is built to outlast even you. And I'm not joking when I say that this car can outlive you, because this car is built to last. Now, in my community, I see a lot of VVTIs that were bought many years ago and they're still living. Now, this is the interior and it looks great. I mean, it does not have the technologies that you get in most Chinese buggies, but it does not have to be. You do not even get a multi-function steering wheel, and who cares, because when you buy a buggy like this, you're not looking for those things. You just want a buggy, a workhorse that is reliable and it is durable. Now let's talk about the business of the day, the transmission. You get a 5-speed manual transmission, and coming to comfort and storage, you get decent storages. The car itself, it has a lot of plastic, and the reason behind it is that it is going to experience a lot of abuse. So putting softer materials, it is going to make this car not durable. That's why most taxis that you see, they have a lot of plastics on their dashboards. Powering this buggy is a 2-liter natural aspirated engine, and it produces 102 kilowatts and 183 newton meters of torque. The top speed is 170 kilometers per hour. But what are you going to be doing there? I mean, unless if you have a death wish or you want to see Jesus soon, you can just move this thing and do a 170 and we'll sing Amagugu. Hallelujah. I don't even know the song, but I'm trying. Now, let's talk about the fuel consumption. You get 10.7 liters per 100 kilometers. That is what Toyota claims. So if you move this thing hard, you can go to more than 11 or 12 liters per 100 kilometers, and that is the downside of a petrol engine. Now let's talk about the models that you get. You get the Toyota Hilux 2.0 S Single Cab, which is the base model. So that one will set you 329,995. Now let's talk about the Toyota Hilux 2.0 S with Aircon. So that one will set you 361,700 to 389,950, depending when you buy it and the amount of money that they are selling it for. Now let's talk about the 2026 Toyota Hilux 2.0 VVTi, which is the higher trim. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Now that one will cost you 469,200. Now the car that you see on the screen, it is the base model's price, to back what I'm saying. So don't just say that you are going to get the same price just because someone bought it and you think it's the same model. It's not. So this car being a 2.0 VVTi AC Single Cab, it has a price tag of 375,000. If you were to finance it with no balloon, with no deposit for 72 months at the prime interest rate of 10.25%, you are most likely to pay 6,995. For argument's sake, it's 7,000. That excludes the insurance and the fuel. Talking about the fuel, you get an 80-liter fuel tank, which is a lot, and it makes sense because this car chows a lot of petrol like a pregnant lady. I mean, most pregnant lady, they do eat a lot, but hey, we're not there, I'm just saying. Now let's talk about what you get in this car. So you're probably wondering, hey Vinny, what do I get? Well, you get these tires, these basic wheels, and they are not that good looking, but you can put a mag, a paniki, and this car will be good. I mean, if you're not into farming, and not everyone buy this car because they're into farming, some of them they buy it because they want to stand it, or they just want a daily car. So it depends on you. And yeah, man, so I mean, for everyday comfort, you will get 3 airbags, the one on the driver and on the passenger knee, and also on the dashboard. You get electric windows, remote central locking, and alarm system, and you get an air condition as standard, and also leather seats. Coming to the back, you get this unrubberized loading bed. So rubberizing, it is an extra, also the tuning cover and a spare wheel lock. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, become a member of Cars with Vini. If you've made it this far, thank you for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Stay safe, take care.